Welcome back to our Git tutorial series. Today, we're introducing Git, a widely used version control system. Git was created by Linus Torvalds, the same person who created Linux. It was designed to handle everything from small to very large projects with speed and efficiency. Git is easy to learn and has a tiny footprint with lightning-fast performance. It outclasses SCM tools like Subversion, CVS, Perforce, and ClearCase with features like cheap local branching, convenient staging areas, and multiple workflows. One of the key features of Git is its branching capabilities. Unlike many other VCSs, Git branches are inexpensive and easy to merge. This facilitates a wide variety of workflows and project management styles. In the upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into Git, exploring its various commands and functionalities. Stay tuned and happy coding!